There are cruise lines out there that will give you a free cruise as a travel agent with Evolution and Archer.
You go through their training, their travel agent training program, and they will offer you a free cruise.
Okay, so let's take Princess. Princess, you can do up to a 2-week cruise. The value of that for you is $5,000. That's just Princess. Royal Caribbean does 1 week. There's another $2,500. And MSC does 1 week, and that's another, let's call it $1,500. 75, 85, that's $9,000 in value that you're getting. The cruise lines are doing this, and you have to do their study program, but they're doing this because they want you to be familiar with their products so that you can get out and sell more. You need to get out there and travel. Become a product of the product. Go through the programs, go through the trainings, and go travel. Here's $9,000. Tax benefits. When you join Evolution Travel and you have your own home-based travel business, you get to write off expenses on your car. You get to write off expenses on any bedroom or home office. You get to write off expenses going to the convention. You get to write off all your travel expenses. It becomes an expense to your business. You have to talk to your tax accountant on how to do that. Evolution brings you a great program called TaxBot that you can utilize to keep
All your
records so you get all this stuff
Right.
as far as discounts go. Jose, tell me about fam trips.
Familiarization tour or familiarization trip. All the suppliers, vendors, and cruise lines offer this. This is usually at a discounted rate where you will go, like, let's say, on a land tour. And instead of the full price, you only pay like maybe, let's say it's a $1,200 package, you only pay like $399 to attend the FAM. Or even sometimes FAMs are free. It depends on the supplier, vendor, or cruise line.
You go look at hotels, but they do wine and dine you. I know a couple of agents that go on fam trips every month.
Oh yeah.
And they're also some of the top sellers
That's
in
right.
the Evolution Archer program. We're not telling you this so we can get a whole lot of memberships sold, because we'll get in trouble with the suppliers if we don't sell those suppliers. So if you're going to go on a fam trip, this is something where you're going to go and you're going to get product knowledge, and you're going to come back and you're going to sell.